Before we booked our very first Princess cruise, we had some pretty big questions. Is Princess Plus enough? Or is Princess Premier actually worth it? And once we started adding up the numbers, the difference was way bigger than we expected. So in this video, we're breaking down what is included in Princess Plus, what is included in Princess Premier, what they're actually worth for an 8-day cruise, and which one we chose for our very first sailing on the brand new Star Princess. One of these packages looks great, but the other is an absolute game changer. Hey cruisers, my name is Jason with Monkey Love Travel. My better half, Becca, is not here with me today. She is on baby watch. Our oldest daughter is getting ready to give birth any day now, and she is kind of hanging out, ready to go at a moment's notice. So I'm here flying solo for you today. So like I said, my name is Jason with Monkey Love Travel. We're here to help you cruise smarter, laugh louder, and travel happier. And today we're breaking down Princess Plus versus Princess Premier for our very first Princess cruise. Okay, let's get started with Princess Plus. So what's included in your Princess Plus package? Now we're going to base this off of our upcoming cruise, which is an 8-day cruise on the brand new Star Princess. Okay, so keep in mind that information. So Princess Plus is $65 a day per person per day. So you just multiply that by 8 days and you're going to have your information you need. Now keep in mind, the $65 a day per person is if it's purchased pre-cruise. If it's purchased once you're on board, it's going to be $70 a day. Now, there's another caveat to that. If you're going to be on the Star Princess or the Sun Princess, it's going to be $70 a day per person per day purchased ahead of time, and $75 a day per person per day if purchased while on board. So what's included in Princess Plus? You're going to get 15 drinks per day, and that's going to be up to a maximum value of $15 per drink. And that's going to include cocktails, wine, beer, spirits, fountain soft drinks. Canned sodas are no longer included. Those are going to be an extra cost. Zero alcohol cocktails, unlimited specialty coffees and teas, and excuse me, 12 bottles of water per day, up to 500 milliliters. Crew gratuities are also included. You get 4 casual dining meals, and those are your casual sit down. And for example, on Star Princess, it's going to be either Alfredo's Pizza or O'Malley's Pub. You also get the Ocean Now fee delivery waived, and that's where you can, from your app, wherever you are on the ship, go ahead and put an order in for food or drink, and they will bring it to you. Last thing that's included is going to be 1 Wi-Fi device per person. So that wraps up what's included in Princess Plus. So now let's move on to Princess Premier. Princess Premier is basically everything that's in Plus turned up several notches. So your basic cost for Princess Premier is going to be $100 per day per person pre-cruise, or $105 a day per person once you're on board. Now that's for any other ship except for Star and Sun Princess. Those prices will be $105 per person per day pre-cruise, and $110 per day per person once you're on board. So what's included? So you get unlimited drinks. There is no cap on how many you can have. Now it is $20. It is a value of up to $20 per drink. You're still going to get the cocktails, wine, beer, spirits, unlimited fountain soft drinks, zero alcohol drinks, the unlimited specialty coffees and teas, and then 12 bottled waters up to 500 milliliters. You're also crew gratuities are going to be included in that. Now you get 4 Wi-Fi devices per person, and then you're also going to get, which we think, if you're into this, unlimited professional photos. You also get 3 prints per person, and then where they really turn this up is you're going to get unlimited casual dining meals. So again, for Star, it's going to be Alfredo's or O'Malley's, and you can eat there as many times as you like. Now, the absolute game changer is that you also get unlimited specialty dining. My recommendation is if you choose to go with Premier, that you book your specialty dining as soon as you are able to. You also get the Ocean Now delivery fee waived. You get room service delivery included. You get a shore excursion credit up to $300 per guest. And on our sailing for an 8-day, we got $100 per person. And then on top of that, you get reserved theater seating at the shows. That is an absolute game changer with all these things included. Let me just throw in a shameless little plug here. If you are looking to sail on Princess and you need help with any of this information, with your booking or whatever, reach out to us. I'll leave our contact information in the description below, and I'll even throw a QR code here up on screen for you. Before we go ahead and talk numbers and what each package is worth, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It really does go a long way in helping the channel out. And if you'd like to see what it's like for us to take our very first cruise on Princess, let alone the Star Princess, be sure to hit that alarm bell. That way you get notified when the new videos come out. So now for the math. And this is what really everybody really wants to know. So if you've paid for everything that's in the Plus package individually, drinks, Wi-Fi, gratuities, dining, delivery fees, the approximate value came out to be about $2,650 for an 8-day sailing. Okay? Let that sink in for a moment. Now the Premier package, when you add this up, the specialty dining, the shore excursion credit, in our case that was $100 per person, the unlimited digital photos, plus the 3 prints, the extra Wi-Fi devices, the higher drink limits, all of it, add it all together based on the 8-day sailing that we are getting ready to take, the Premier package valued at $3,892. That's a lot of money when you break it down like that. So, like I told you at the beginning of the video, we're getting ready to take our very first Princess cruise on the Star Princess. What package did we end up choosing to go forward with? We went with the Princess Premier package. And let me tell you why. Bear with me here. We love taking shore excursions. We often get pictures taken. We are not always choosing to do specialty dining, but we do like to do at least 1 or 2. We also like to take part in room service, especially when we are getting ready to do an excursion. We like to have room service first thing in the morning, bring that to us. And if we're just out on deck, and we don't really want to deal with any crowds, having that drink or food delivered to wherever you are is going to be a game changer for us. So given the actual purchase costs, okay, so without further ado, what we paid, all right, for our 8-day cruise for the Premier package is $1,680 for the 2 of us. All right. Now keep in mind what I told you earlier. It's almost $4,000 if you break it down individually, and so this is almost, or it's about 50% off if you buy this outright. That is a tremendous value, and that is why we decided to choose the Princess Premier package. Now, is Premier for you or is Plus for you? Only you can decide that, but I hope this video will help you determine that. Now, I want to add just a little bit of other information that factored into the cost and why we chose Premier. So this cruise, all right, cost us, now not getting the packages or anything, just the cruise itself. We go a balcony cabin, all right. This cruise cost us $711 for the 2 of us, all right. Now, 400 of that will come back to us as onboard credit as soon as we get on the ship. All right, so essentially the cruise is costing us $311. And to choose the Premier package on top to get all these extras was an absolute no-brainer for us. If you want to see how we were able to get this cabin for $711, check out the video on screen right here where we break it all down for you. Be sure to leave us a comment below telling us, do you prefer Plus or do you prefer Premiere? I want to thank you for watching today. Again, I'm out without my better half, so you'll see her in the next video. And until then, seize the day.